Okay, so are you ready to enter our Zoom meeting ID? Yep, excellent. So the meeting ID is 952 9578 3892. Now, can you click the share screen button, please? I'll just mute you so I'm not getting a double audio. Excellent. So just close that. Can you close that? Close that window. Oh, I think you're only sharing that. Can you close that and then share screen again, but share the whole screen and not just the app, if that's all right? Excellent. So yeah, you have your student account there, you have your staff account there. Yep, you want to enter your password there. Enter your student password.
Hey everyone, we'll start in, let's say, about 3 or 4 minutes at 5 or 6 past. So just hang in there. We'll sort of stick to the lecture times. So I'll be back in a minute.
On this Google line, please. Or just right click on it, maybe. Right click on the account. So you have to hold down the command and then, or it's control, I think. Actually, just go up to Outlook up here, please. Now go preferences. Why is that? Okay, let's just delete it and re-add it. So delete it. Delete, yep. Yep, excellent. Now plus. K Lancaster. Could you just move that to the, oh, yep, no, all good. Sorry, I couldn't find it. Okay, press the X button. Type in Latrobe in there. Yeah, email addresses is, and excellent. Now next. Try get rid of the dot. Get rid of the dot. Now click next. Try that. No, okay. So now change it to LTE. It's because the initial email setup requires the full k.lancaster@latrobe, and then this one will require just the account, which is the shortened version. Excellent. So now your password. Excellent. Done. Your student account's already there. Now you can just close that, and that looks all set up and sorted. So just close it there. Yep. Try clicking on this button here. See that? Yeah. Set as default. So click on that one. Excellent. So now close it. Now, so your staff account is there, and your student account is there. Great. That's all good. That's all good. Anything else I can help you with today? Yeah. Okay. I'll just close the Zoom meeting. Yeah. Well, have a good afternoon, and just give us a call back if you need further assistance. Okay. See you.